Which way do you go, bud?
Hey, so he took this guy, driver, came this way. The other guy went more south and went east. Hey, Justin, can you walk side to side?
Oh, bro, I'm hurt. I'm hurt. My whole face.
Okay, here's the deal, bud. Huh?
Figure out which driver.
No. Here, roll in front of you.
You're gonna have to roll, big man. There you go, tuck your feet in. I know, tuck your feet in.
We're gonna try to get you up and out of this little position, okay, bud?
There you go.
Which leg do you think is broken? This one?
This one.
Alright. So get up on a knee on this one, okay? Get up on a knee. There you go. Now stay. Alright, there you go.
Yeah. We're good here. Yeah. We need 2 of them 41s. We're gonna need one there and one of the other one.
Hurt.
I'll sit you on the front of the car.
Almost there, bud.
One at 41's location and one here.
K41, take the alley behind 400 Conejo. It'll be north of Conejo and Tioga.
Alright, stop. What's going on, man? Did you just run from my partner?
No,
Put your hands on top of my head.
I can't. My arm's broken, sir.
Your arm is broken?
I can't. It hurts bad.
Okay, did you just run from my partner? Yes or no?
I ran from the same time, but I didn't take the run. I
Do me
got
a
right
favor,
from the
take
smoke shop. See that number?
Sit right here.
I don't know why I ran.
In the alleyway there?
I'm just east of
I
Nunez
didn't run.
Market.
I walked all the way down the road.
Okay.
I'm waiting to confirm the plate.
Both in custody. Got a gun laser in here.
Do we have the area searched back there? Make sure he didn't dump one.
No, I'll talk to him because there's dogs, so we're gonna. I don't know what happened this way.
We'll get
At least that immediate area is done. I don't know about on the other side of the fence.
Okay.
Anyway, I'd be able to get into your backyard.
Yeah, let me bring the dog. We need to bring the dog.
No problem.
Okay.
Sir? It looks like I got something in between right here. Is there an easy way to get over to here? Because I don't... I think I got a gun right here. So I'd like to get whatever that black thing is right there, which looks like a possibly a gun to me right here. Right there. See what I'm talking about? If there's a way through there, I'd rather grab it with gloves.
Yeah, let me.
Do you think I can get? Yep, coming. Right about there. Yep. Oh, easy. Yeah, easy. Yep. Thank you, sir. Ooh. I had to search long and hard for that one, buddy.
Where was it?
So right in that back corner,
Yeah.
there's a big pile of stuff and another pile of stuff, and it went in between it. Woo.
Loaded?
Feels like it.